Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna and pasta easy guide. Start by boiling a large pot of salted water and cook your pasta until it is al dente, then drain but save a cup of the cooking water. While the pasta cooks, heat olive oil in a skillet, add garlic and red pepper flakes, and gently warm the tuna. Toss pasta with the tuna mixture and finish with lemon and parsley. Sauté garlic and aromatics slowly to build a gentle base for your tuna sauce. Keep the heat moderate so flavors develop without burning. Add chopped onions or capers for a savory lift, then stir in flaked tuna and a splash of white wine or broth if you like a looser texture. Finish by tossing in drained pasta and a little reserved cooking water to create a glossy, cohesive sauce that coats every strand nicely. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so we can keep creating helpful videos for simple home cooking. Quick recommendation: I love mentioning books that change perspectives. The one shown here, The Simple Path to Wealth, feels oddly fitting for practical cooks who appreciate smart choices and calm planning. Be sure to check the description for the link and extra deals. And thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Plate your tuna pasta with care by adding a crunchy element like toasted breadcrumbs or pine nuts, and finish with fresh herbs to lift the dish. A scattering of grated cheese adds richness, while lemon wedges let each person dial in brightness. Keep sides simple. A crisp salad and warm bread make the meal complete, and this approach keeps prep easy while delivering satisfying flavor and texture in every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.